little one.
Mother Nature. Oh, you've got to help them. Achoo!
There. Tell Mother Nature all about it.
Well, it all started with Papa Smurf sending the Mountain Smurf to check the snowpack because the river was rising too fast and the dam was about to break. And then Smurfette and Brady found these yellow flowers that made them forget.
Yellow flowers? Forget? Oh, dear me. I forgot all about those terrible little forget-me flowers. Well, they've caused me trouble for the last time. A sudden cold spell will cure our woes, freeze the river, and chill our toes.
Thank you, Mother Nature. Oh, I better hurry back to the village.
I told Father Time that spring was coming too early this year. Maybe next time he'll listen to me.
What's going on?
I hate snow. Brady, how did we get here?
I don't know, Smurfette, but let me take a calculated guess. Now, as I recall...
Forget it, Brady.
Where am I? Oh, there I am.
Oh, the first flowers of spring. And now they're gone.
I have a feeling Mother Nature thinks it's for the better, Smurfette. Now, I better check the dam. Maybe this cold weather will freeze the water and save the village. The water has stopped rising. The village is saved. But I think I'm catching cold. Thank you, Sickly. Here. Achoo! Here's the Smurf noodle soup. Yeah.
Time for you to get in bed too, Greedy. Mustn't let your cold get any worse. Take it from a Smurf that knows. Oh, Sickly, could you bring me some Smurf noodle soup, please?
Me too.
Well, I'll sure be glad when everyone else is well. Then it'll be my turn to be sick again.